Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will now be sharing the difference between the two VASELINE GLUTA HYA variants, which is the most requested video and the most frequently asked questions on my old vlog. I haven't really answered that question because first of all, I haven't tried the yellow one, and now I finally gave in and I bought it and have tried it. So now I can share my thoughts about the difference between the two. And as you can see, the pink GLUTA HYA is now empty, and that's why I decided to try the yellow one instead. I have been using this pink one for a year and I really loved it. And since this is now empty, I decided to try the yellow one now so I can share with you my thoughts about the two variants of the VASELINE GLUTA HYA. So if you're interested to know the difference and which one suits you better, then this video is for you, so please keep on watching. So if you haven't seen my old video, which I featured this VASELINE GLUTA HYA pink serum lotion with the Nivea lotion combination, I suggest you watch it before you watch this video because it is more in-depth, and I've shared there the before and after result using this one with the Nivea lotion. So let me talk first about the yellow GLUTA HYA variant because I have already talked about the pink one, but I will be touching the pink one later on after I talk about this. So this yellow GLUTA HYA Serum Burst UV Lotion, the difference between this one, this is a Flawless Bright and this one is a Dewy Radiance, which we all know is really effective. It really gave me the radiant glow that I need in an instant. And this one, this is a Flawless Bright, which reduces dark spots for even toned skin. This one is perfect for people who have an even skin tone and dark spots which you want to lighten, or if you want to even it out, this one is really perfect. This one also has Gluta Glow, which is the same as the pink one. It also has hyaluron, which is also the ingredient here on the pink one. The difference between the two is that this one has niacinamide, this one has pro-retinol, and it's also the same thing. It has 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. Just like the pink one, this yellow version also has Gluta Glow technology, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. Vaseline also helps to reduce the causes of dull skin. It has hyaluron that is known to boost the skin's moisture for dewy skin. This also has 10 times pro-retinol that is known for helping to exfoliate dead skin cells to give even toned skin. And it also has double UV filters for 8 times sun protection. This one doesn't have a UV filter to protect you from the sun. So most of the time, I've seen an article that saying that they use the yellow one in the morning and the pink one at night if you really want to try both. But honestly, I think that even if you use this in the morning and even if it has a protection from the sun, I suggest you still wear a sunscreen because the heat right now is very much different. It's very strong, and I think if you feel like this is gonna protect you from the heat of the sun, I would say that it's gonna give you a sunburn in no time because this doesn't have an SPF. It only has UV filters. So one thing that I've noticed about the yellow variant is that it's much more fragrant than the pink one. This is just my personal thought and opinion. I think the yellow one is much fragrant than the pink one. However, I'm not saying this isn't fragrant because every time I use this, my sister always asks me what lotion I'm using because she really likes the smell of the pink one. But I'm pretty sure if she smells this yellow one, I think she would also love it, and she will love it more than the pink one because honestly, this smells really sweet compared to this one. It smells like a fragrant lotion, but this one smells like a sweet perfume, and I really love the smell of the yellow one. And one other thing that I feel that's different between the two, this one absorbs much faster on my skin compared to the yellow one. The yellow one takes a few more seconds compared to this one. So that's the reason why I love the pink one and have been using it for years, because even if I don't use a Nivea lotion and I only use this is super light on the skin and it doesn't feel sticky at all, and it just feels like your skin but more brighter, more radiant, more glowing. However, this yellow one, after using it or after putting it on your skin, you'd actually have to wait for a few minutes for it to really fully absorb, and I can feel a little, not sticky, I can feel a little stickiness. It's not that sticky like the sunscreen that you know of. It's just that compared to the pink one, this has a bit of an after effect. Just a little bit of stickiness, but it really goes off after some time. So compared to this, I think this one's much thicker because it doesn't absorb quickly compared to the pink one. So that's one other thing that I could say about the difference between the two. But if you haven't watched my previous or old vlog about the pink one, I will talk about the pink one now. So the pink one, as I said earlier, has the niacinamide formula, which the yellow variant doesn't have, because this pink version is really more on the whitening, the brightening effect of your skin. Like I said, after using this, and I shared a photo of it before in my old vlog, it really has an instant glowing effect, which I cannot explain. And it's just really so good because every time I go out and have events and I didn't really get that much rest, I instantly feel so glowing, and I feel like I have a healthy glowing skin when I use this. That's why I keep repurchasing. One other formula that's in here that's not on the yellow one is that it has 10 times active niacinamide, which boosts skin's natural radiance, which instantly gave my skin a glowing effect. And so I will be putting it on my skin to let you see the difference, or at least let you see the consistency of the serum lotion. Hopefully it's gonna show on the screen because I don't have natural light here. By the way, the two bottles are 330 ml and it's very affordable. This is just 450. I got this as buy one take one on a grocery store, which is very sulit because 450 for two bottles is really sulit compared to when I bought this, the same price but just one bottle. So yeah, if you see promos of a buy one take one with this product, I suggest you go ahead and buy it even if you don't need it just yet, because you will really make a big savings afterwards if you're really into this hack. So you can see, yan, very watery. So it's light. I put too many, but it's light, watery effect. So yeah. Since I put too many, we'll just have to wait for a few seconds for it to dry. I usually just put a little amount because the consistency is very watery, and a little goes a long way with this product, so it would really last you for a long time. So I think this one bottle would last me 3 months. Still not dry. Still not dry, guys. And for this one, I don't know if I could just get one because this is really empty na. Okay, I just got a little. See? Do you see the difference? You can actually see a little difference between the two. This one is much radiant, much brighter compared to this one. But this one with the yellow variant will definitely give you an even skin tone, especially if you don't have an even skin tone or even skin, or if you have dark spots, then the yellow one is really perfect for you. But personally, if I were to choose one variant of the VASELINE GLUTA HYA, I would definitely choose the pink one. I would repurchase this and repurchase this for the rest of my life because this really is perfect for me. You can really see how this matches my skin's need. This matches what I really need in a lotion, in a serum lotion. Lightweight, glowing, instant glowing skin that doesn't, when you do this, some instant brightening or whitening lotion, when you scratch it, you would really see the true skin tone of the person. But this one, it's just your skin that's glowing. So that's the difference between that. And I love how it enhances my skin tone. In the long run, it makes your skin really glowing even if you're not using it, or in the long run, it would really brighten or lighten your skin tone. And since I haven't finished one bottle of the yellow Gluta Hyya, I can't really say that it's not effective when it comes to dark spots because I haven't finished one bottle yet. I have high hopes for this because the pink one is really effective. So I am planning to finish the two yellow Gluta Hyya and probably would update you guys on my TikTok or on my Instagram soon when I finish it. I have a long way to go, guys, but so far so good. I am loving this. I'm gonna continue using this. I am gonna continue to empty this out just like the pink one, but definitely will repurchase the pink Gluta Hyya next time around. Right, that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope I answered some of your questions and comments before on my old vlog. And if you have other video suggestions, just comment it down below and I'll check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.